When did the concept get started? What type of candidate do you actually look for? Why is this a good investment, the segment to invest in? How do you support your franchise owners? I love it. And what's the total investment? Anything else you want to tell a potential investor that you want to mention? All right, you want to introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, my name is Ken Rice. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for the best in the sandwich industry, Picklemen's.
When did the concept get started?
We started back in 2005, but we got really serious over the last 5 years about franchising. We now have 33 units and 25 in development across the U.S.
What type of candidate do you actually look for?
Well, we look for a candidate that really is serious about wanting to get into a business that's going to be successful. We want someone that is not afraid to get in for some hard work. We look for somebody that net worth somewhere between 1 to 1.5 million, someone that has a $100,000 to $150,000 of liquid capital. We have a very aggressive growth plan, and we're looking for people that are serious about coming on board, because if they're serious about coming on board, we can teach them to be successful entrepreneurs and be able to run some successful businesses. If you're looking to be at the next great thing, come to Pickleman.
Why is this a good investment, the segment to invest in?
The sandwich brand is growing by leaps and bounds. And I'll tell you, what makes us a differentiator, so we're not like the regular sandwich brands. You look at different brands out there, so like Jimmy John's. Jimmy John's is, the quality is a little bit struggling, but they're fast and they're very efficient. Then you have Panera Bread, who has a very good quality, but they're sort of slow and sluggish. Well, what we have is a brand that has the best quality out there, better than Panera Bread, and we have a speed and efficiency that is comparable, if not faster, than Jimmy John's.
Well, how do you support your franchise owners?
Well, we support the franchise owners by having a very comprehensive training system when they first come in. We have franchise business consultants that see them on a regular basis and are there to help. We also support them by having a great communication. I created something about 2 years ago called Pickle Time, where all the franchisees and the corporate head get together once a month and we talk about all the different things the departments are doing, and they get a chance to ask questions. We also invite the franchisees to be part of decisions with marketing, with operations, training, all the different things. So we're very collaborative in our approach to running this franchise, because we know that the success of our franchisees and our success are codependent on each other.
Love it. And what's the total investment?
Total investment can be anywhere from a low of $400,000 to that would be an inline type of restaurant, to upwards to 1.1 million, which would be a standalone drive-thru restaurant, which is where most of the franchisees are building at that space right now.
And you guys do multi-unit or area developer relationship?
Absolutely. We were doing a big one that we're looking at finalizing in Illinois right now, and we have a number of them that are on the table right as we speak.
I was here yesterday and there was such a long line. You guys were giving out these sandwiches.
Yeah.
And I waited and I got it, and I was just so impressed on how great the sandwich is.
What makes our sandwich great is our bread, especially. We have hot sandwiches. We believe that a sandwich is supposed to be hot. Number two, we have proprietary bread. Our bread was developed by our founder. It took him over 2 years to develop. It only has 7 ingredients, and it's the best bread that you could ever have. And the sandwich, when you eat it, you're going to want to eat it again and again and again.
Anything else you want to tell a potential investor that you want to, mention?
I'll tell you, if you have any interest at all, go to www.picklemensfranchising.com. Look us up, get an FDD, come and visit our restaurants, taste the food, and you'll never want to go to anywhere else again.
Love it. Congratulations. There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.